Effective communication is essential for any healthy relationship. When two people are in a relationship, they need to communicate their thoughts, feelings, and desires clearly to maintain a strong bond. Here are 20 effective communication tips that can improve your relationship. 1. Listen actively. Listen to your partner without interrupting or judging them. This makes them feel heard and respected. 2. Don't make assumptions. Instead of making assumptions, ask your partner for clarification to avoid misunderstandings. 3. Use I statements. Instead of using you statements, use I statements to express how you feel without blaming your partner. 4. Avoid blaming. Blaming your partner can lead to defensiveness and hurt feelings. Instead, use I statements to express your feelings. 5. Focus on the present. Try to stay in the present moment rather than bringing up past events that can create tension. 6. Express gratitude. Express your appreciation for your partner to create a positive atmosphere. 7. Stay calm. When you feel overwhelmed or upset, take a break to calm down before continuing the conversation. 8. Avoid sarcasm. Sarcasm can be hurtful and lead to misunderstandings. Instead, express your thoughts clearly and directly. 9. Take responsibility for your actions. If you make a mistake, own up to it and apologize. 10. Express empathy. Try to understand your partner's point of view and validate their feelings. 11. Be open-minded. Be open to your partner's ideas and opinions even if they differ from your own. 12. Avoid interrupting. Interrupting can be disrespectful and prevent your partner from fully expressing their thoughts. 13. Use humor. Humor can lighten the mood and create a positive atmosphere. 14. Avoid making assumptions. Ask your partner for clarification rather than making assumptions. 15. Take turns speaking. Give your partner a chance to speak without interrupting them. 16. Avoid criticism. Criticizing your partner can create tension and lead to defensiveness. Instead, use constructive feedback to express your thoughts. 17. Practice active listening. Show that you're paying attention by nodding, using eye contact, and repeating what your partner said. 18. Don't ignore problems. Avoiding problems can lead to tension and resentment. Instead, address them directly and work on a solution. 19. Respect each other's boundaries. Understand your partner's boundaries and respect them to build trust. 20. Practice patience. Effective communication takes time and effort. Be patient and keep practicing to improve your skills. By implementing these communication tips, you can build a strong, healthy relationship with your partner. Effective communication helps you to understand each other, resolve conflicts, and create a deep and meaningful connection.